Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Maximum Steel Metallic 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 Crew Cab, stock number A6902A. As you can see, this is all decked out in chrome. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There are chrome rims here that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. You've got this great chrome Hemi badging here. There are assist steps on each side. You have a gray cloth upholstery inside. That's in excellent shape. You have seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Ram. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Back to the rear, there is a dual exhaust. You do have a trailer hitch. Up top, there's a soft tonneau cover that is in great shape. And then inside of the truck bed, you have a spray-in bed liner, and it's very clean. You do have a Bighorn trim level on this Dodge Ram. And the reason that I'm showing you this Dodge today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. And to the inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you've got audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. There is a turn dial control here. You've also got 4x4 push button controls. There is an AM/FM radio, and this is equipped with a compass. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There is traction control here. Your transmission is an 8-speed automatic transmission with an engine of a 5.7-liter V8. And in highway mileage, that's going to get you around 21 miles per gallon. Coming up above the rear view mirror, you can see this is also equipped with HomeLink garage door opener buttons. If you'd like to get more information on this Ram or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.